CPI measures a broad basket of goods and services and is one of the several key measures the Fed uses when formulating a monetary policy, aka whether to raise or lower interest rates. Inflation rose in February, but it was in line with expectations. The CPI increased 0.4% for the month, putting the annual inflation rate at 6%, according to the Labor Department. Both readings were exactly in line with the Dow Jones estimates. So what does this have to do with Bitcoin? Well, lower interest rates are beneficial to Bitcoin. High interest rates are not beneficial to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a risk asset. So in higher inflation environments, if companies need to maintain profits or make revenue, they get hit by the cost of capital. And so, which causes the markets to go down as we saw in the last 12 months. But fast forward to today, interest rates, inflation is at bay. And again, the Fed is about to at least pause rates, not necessarily pivot yet. That is going to come in the near future. So again, on the numbers we saw Bitcoin rise. Now Bitcoin is bouncing off of the upward portion of the up channel. This was after it found support a couple of days ago at the 200-day moving average. The chart suggests that after finally nipping at the 25,000 level, we're going to get a close above the 25K level on a daily chart, which would be bullish despite not closing above the up channel. Now, most important, we have to scroll out. We have to zoom out. If the month of March was to close, this monthly candle would close above the 13 simple moving average. But before we consider that, let's go to the weekly chart. Again, after nipping for weeks against the 50-day simple moving average, this week we probably will get a close above the 50-day simple moving average, which would be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Let's go back down to the daily chart. So with that said, we get a close above 25K, we get a close above the 50 simple moving average on the weekly chart. There's no reason why Bitcoin cannot continue to rise higher. Where can it go? If we scroll to the left, all of this, and then we had this massive drop in price. There are sellers here. And we're going to choose the round whole number of 30,000 as a good target because that's where the drop commenced from. So with all that said, 30K is the next target for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.